Hi guys, my name is Halyna. If you don't know me yet, and if you already know me, welcome back. Thank you for all your support from yesterday's storytelling. I'm not gonna lie, it was a really complicated decision to go back to the social media and to renew all that I used to love to do so much. First of all, it was complicated for me to go back to the social media because it was a long story what happened, and I will definitely share with you guys. But also, learning new language and start to speak actual new language, it's pretty challenging. I like to think that something in life happening and pushing you to some spots where you need to be. Shh. I like to call this process rebirth, and I'm excited to see how this food love story will unfold. And I'm excited to have you here because my goal and my mission here is to involve you to my excitement and to my passion or to my passion about food, about everyday cooking, about maybe not everyday cooking, whatever you want, but to have this excitement, to have this I like to use this phrase burning ass in a good meaning. When you can't wait to try something new, can't wait to do something new, and to feel your life with joy a little bit more. And as nature created us as aliens, okay, as nature created us as the creatures who needs their food every day, just let's make it more tasty. Why not? I mean, life is too short for the bland food. Now I'm currently working on translating all my videos, on translating my website, on translating my cookbook. So it's a pile of work, but I'm sure you're gonna love it. So just let's have the tastier food.